Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, today in the mail, I received this, the iFootage Vehicle Suction Cup, VS-118. Let's take a look at it. So before we open this up, let's just take a look at the outside packaging there. Vehicle Suction Cup, iFootage. And on the back side, Spider Crab Vehicle Suction Cup. It's got a vertical payload of 20 kilograms or 44 pounds. This suction cup is best suited to smooth surfaces that will allow a vacuum seal to form, such as glass panels or plate glass. So basically, any type of metal surface or glass surface, you should get a very good seal. Now, I got the VS-118. There's also a VS-146, and that's 30 kilograms or 66 pounds. So that's going to be a little bit bigger than this one, and it's going to hold a heavier payload. But for now, we're going to work with the small one here. And just open this up right from the front. And of course, our user's manual along with some stickers, our moisture pack, and there it is. Nice packaging there. First impressions, a very nice quality. Yeah, not too heavy, and looks like it's a little bit of a steel, probably mostly aluminum and plastic. Very nice. Here you got a 1/4 inch female and a 3/4 inch female on the top, and on the sides you also have a 3/4 inch female and a 1/4 inch female for your vertical suction cup for filming that way. iFootage VS-118. There is your 20 kilos. Check every 4 hours. So to get this bolt out here, you just push, and this comes right out like this. And there's your 3/4 inch male and 1/4 inch male. And you can put that right in here for mounting the camera. And then on your 1/4 inch. And then, like I said, if you want to do some filming from the side, there's also your 1/4 inch and 3/4 inch mounts right here too. Very nice. And to stow this, if you're not going to use it, just push this button in here, and this just pops right down in there. And there you go, nice and smooth. If you want to use it, just push it once, that'll pop up. That's not going anywhere. Then on the bottom, you have this protective covering. Always want to keep this clean. Don't want to get any debris in there. That way you'll might lose some of your suction. And then there's also a filter. And after you're done, just pop that back on. That closes right up. So to use this, what you want to do is you want to push down on the top here, and then start just pushing this button, and eventually the gray will disappear, and it'll be all the way in there like this. And then to release it, you can see right here where it's got an opening on both sides. You just push into this, and this thing will just pop right up. All right, very nice. So let's go out this and put it on the car. All right, so now we're gonna mount this. I'm gonna take the protective case off. Bottom looks really good. I got my GoPro on there, just took the bolt out of there, pushed that in, took the bolt out. I got it mounted in. Place it on the plastic roof of my, or the hood of my car. And then just start, push down and just start pumping. And once the gray disappears, you've got good suction there. And there you go. Man, this thing is not moving at all. And then to release, right here on both the opens, just push up. You see the gray, push out, and there you go. You know, when people do product testing, they never do this test. And I always ask a lot of questions about that when it's the GoPro suction cup or any type of suction cup, is how fast can you go? I mean, how long will these things stay on? How reliable are they? That's why a lot of times you see these people with you know, emergency tethers in case they fall off. At least they won't be going down the highway. But I'm gonna do a whole bunch of different speeds here. I'll probably do, you know, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe 80 miles an hour, and just see what happens with this. So I got my suction cup here, and then up here I have my other GoPro, and then that's on my metal roof. That's just a magnet. I've had that thing up to 90 miles an hour, and no problems at all. So this should be an interesting test. Let's check this out. Well, there's your speed test. Started off at 25 miles an hour, went 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. Probably could have done 90 or 100, but I'll let somebody else do that. I'm not going to get pulled over by a cops to do a suction cup test. But that was the VS-118 20 kilogram payload, or 44 pounds. The larger model is the VS-146, and that has a 30 gram payload, or 66 pounds. I'll leave links on the bottom so you guys can take a look at those. And I also did a side view. I put the suction cup on the side of the car and went around 50 miles an hour just so we can get that view. And that's pretty interesting. So you have a lot of options with these suction cups now. I think I'll definitely grab another one. And I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler out.